Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I want to share with you a woodland terrain that I made for tabletop games as well as for decoration in the form of a diorama. For the basis of my terrain I have used this Christmas village base from the brand My Village. It is 58 centimeters long, 38 centimeters wide and 16 centimeters high. As you can see, the paint job on the base is not great, so I started by cleaning the base with a damp cloth and applying a layer of matte black primer. After that, I dry brushed it with a matte grayish blue paint, and finally I applied a watered down concrete texture paint. After that, I added some grass in the form of a grass mat. It is not the most realistic looking grass option, but it is convenient for tabletop games. In order to make a more natural transition between the edges of the grass mat and the rock formation, I used this turned earth ground paint. I also used the same paint to make the path between the grass patches. Then I added some trees, also not the most realistic option in terms of species and placement, but that's what I had available at the time and I tried to make the most of it. The pine trees in the back are from a Christmas village set. I removed their original individual bases and I secured them directly to this base. The big tree in the front is actually a fake bonsai tree that I removed from its original pot and painted in order to give it a more realistic texture. All the other trees that you see are actually used the way that they were intended to be used. They came without a base, and the only modification that I made on them was a bit of paint on the trunks and the crowns. The bushes that you see consist of dried reindeer moss, and at the time I wished I had a darker variety so that they would look more like real bushes. But I must say that I also don't hate the current look. I do enjoy vibrant colors, and speaking of vibrant colors, I also added some tiny flower details to give the whole model a complete look. The terrain is quite flexible in the sense that I can use it as home decoration, which with a few easy modifications can be turned into a military fortification for some tabletop games, and the only real limitation here is my own imagination. So, this was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.